This is OTeedo. It's a street light, outdoor use, 600 watts, 60,000 lumens, from dusk to dawn with the PIR sensor. Comes nicely wrapped with all the hardware that you need to do your install, including a pole mount onto a small pole, a wall, etc., etc. Check online for further details about the product. This is the backing of the bracket. You have here's the street lamp with all the LEDs, an instruction guide, and a remote control to control your light from the floor. Let's show you how to install this bad boy, show you what it looks like at nighttime. For our demonstration purposes, we're showing you on the ground that you take the bolt 3+ inches length with the supplied nut, tighten down, slide onto the pole with the supplied tool. You can tighten all the bolts down like so. This is your solar array. At the bottom is where the light's going to shine. What we're going to go do is go upstairs and hook this up. Locate a spot, place on, and lock down. With the base of the light, you have an Allen key. Loosen both bolts up, slide the pipe in, tighten down. Turn the unit on. We'll come back in the evening hours and we check if the light will light up and show you the details of the product. The remote control and the PIR sensor, automatic dusk to dawn. About 30 seconds the light shuts down. It will detect motion by movement, manually on and off 100%. As we walk, you can see how far it detects motion. If you are looking for a street light, I hope this is the product that you may be looking for. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.